Hey guys, so as all you guys know is I'm actually going to show you guys what happens whenever you put your slime in the fridge. So I'm going to put it in. There's the slime I'm putting in. So bye. Oh, and you have to wait a couple of months, so yeah. So it's been 3 months later. So it has, and I'm wearing the same pajamas as last time because who knows. So I'll be right back with the slime. So I'm back here with the slime. I set it up there again because I needed to just set it up. And let's get it and show you what it actually happens to your slime when you set it in the freezer. It's just still proper slime. It's really sticky and really cold. Oh, and also I put this in a fridge because people said if you also put it in a fridge, it makes it like go like hard a wee bit, and it like helps like melted slime, and I did that, and it's still basically melted. Still on me. So I'm just gonna put these away because they're really okay, literally. I need to put wipe my hands and everything. Yeah. Please go subscribe to my channel because I really want you to subscribe so I can get more subscribers. And if I don't get any more subscribers, then we just have to keep on doing boring slime videos. And like no water park, which I'm going to win tomorrow. So if you subscribe right now, I might film me going to Tita Park tomorrow and the water park. Well, tomorrow I'm actually going to the swimming pool and the hotel, and then tomorrow I'm going to Tita Park. So leave a like, and I want this video to get to at least 50 likes. one. It's really easy. And I want you to go down and hit that subscribe button. So peace.